Is your computer monitor suddenly going black, leaving you staring at a void of frustration? First, let's make sure the issue isn't simply a loose connection. So meticulously check the video cable's Y-Euro HDMI DisplayPort or VGA Y-Euro connecting your monitor to your computer. Unplug and firmly replug them at both ends, and do the same with the power cable, ensuring it's securely connected to both the monitor and the power outlet. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are often the culprit, so open Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar, expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install the latest version. If that doesn't work, visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer Y-Euro NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel Y-Euro and download the latest drivers directly, then run the installer to ensure a clean and up-to-date driver installation. To rule out a faulty monitor, connect your computer to another monitor or even a TV, and if the second display works perfectly, then the issue likely lies with your original monitor itself, potentially indicating a hardware problem. Lastly, if you have a dedicated graphics card, ensure it is properly seated in its slot on the motherboard. Power down your computer. Open the case, gently push the card to ensure it's firmly in place, and then power it back on to see if the issue is resolved.